Imagine a device so small it fits into your jacket pocket, yet powerful enough to capture cinematic, Hollywood-grade footage that could redefine the entire drone industry. For years, the sub-250-gram category has been defined by compromise. You trade sensor size for portability or flight time for advanced obstacle avoidance. But the rumors circulating right now suggest that the era of compromise is officially over. The upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just an incremental update. It is being engineered as a generational leap that challenges everything we know about aerial cinematography. Welcome back to my channel for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. We are looking at a potential 1-inch stack CMOS sensor, a mechanical variable aperture that shifts from f/1.8 to f/11, and a revolutionary solid-state battery architecture that could push flight times toward the 60-minute mark. This is the drone that professionals and hobbyists alike have been waiting for. And today, we are breaking down the internal supply chain leaks, the technical architecture, and exactly how DJI plans to fit this level of performance into a chassis that bypasses the strictest registration laws in the United States and beyond. The first thing that hits you when analyzing these leaks is the sheer ambition behind the imaging system. We've seen the evolution from the Mini 3 Pro to the Mini 4 Pro, but the move to a 1-inch stack CMOS Titan sensor changes the dynamic range entirely. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Mini 6 Pro will be the first sub-250G drone to offer 6K resolution at 60 frames per second. Why does this matter? For the freelance filmmaker or the travel vlogger, it means your B-roll is no longer just good for a small drone. It becomes your primary footage. You're looking at clean, low-light performance that finally rivals the larger Air and Mavic series, all without the need for an FAA remote ID flight restriction headache in many jurisdictions. The inclusion of a mechanical variable aperture is the real game changer here. Previously, if you wanted to control your exposure in bright sunlight, you were glued to ND filters. With a mechanical iris, you can dial in your depth of field and exposure in real time, giving you that creamy, professional bokeh that was once the exclusive domain of cinema cameras. Now, let's talk about the flight experience, because it is not just about the camera. One of the most persistent leaks regarding the DJI Mini 6 Pro involves the shift to solid-state battery technology. We've been hovering around the 35 to 45-minute mark with current flagship minis, but a move to high-density solid-state cells could realistically push that to a full hour of flight time. This isn't just a convenient upgrade. It changes how you plan your shoots. It means fewer battery swaps, less time spent on the ground, and the ability to capture complex tracking shots that simply weren't possible before. Combine that with the rumored Nightscape LiDAR system for omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and you have a drone that is as safe as it is powerful. DJI has reportedly refined their O5 transmission engine, ensuring that your 1080p live feed remains rock solid, even in the heart of dense, high-interference urban environments like New York City or downtown London. The latency is rumored to be near zero, which for professional pilots is the difference between a perfect shot and a missed opportunity. The competitive landscape is also shifting. With DJI dominating the market, they know they cannot afford to rest on their laurels. Competitors are scrambling to catch up, but this leaked data suggests that DJI is playing a different game entirely. They're focusing on anywhere cinema, the idea that you don't need a heavy, expensive rig to produce high-end content. The integration of AI-driven flight modes is another pillar of the Mini 6 Pro strategy. We are hearing whispers of a new ActiveTrack 6.0 that uses advanced machine learning to predict subject movement, making your solo shooting workflow smoother than ever. Whether you're mountain biking, filming a cinematic car commercial, or just capturing a wedding, the drone essentially becomes a co-pilot, leaving you to focus on the composition rather than the controls. The level of intelligence baked into this hardware is unprecedented for a consumer-grade unit. When we consider the release roadmap for the United STA, the timing is critical. Industry insiders point toward a rollout that aligns with the late summer or early fall window, just in time for the peak holiday season. Price, as always, is the elephant in the room. While there is no official word, if DJI keeps the Mini 6 Pro within that prosumer price bracket, it could easily become the fastest-selling drone in their history. The barrier to entry for professional aerial cinematography has been dropping for years, but this drone might just kick the door down. We are seeing a shift where the Mini branding no longer implies entry-level. It now implies maximum efficiency. For those of you currently using a Mini 4 Pro or even an Air 3, you have to ask yourself, is the jump to 6K in solid-state power worth the upgrade? Based on the leaked specifications, the answer is leaning heavily toward a resounding yes. But what about the legal side of things? The FAA and aviation authorities worldwide are constantly tightening the leash on drone pilots. DJI has always been a leader in implementing geofencing and altitude limiters, and the Mini 6 Pro is expected to double down on this. This is the secret to their success. They create hardware that is powerful enough to be professional, but compliant enough to keep you out of trouble. By keeping the weight below 249 grams, the DJI Mini 6 Pro effectively guarantees that you won't have to deal with the overwhelming bureaucracy that surrounds larger, heavier drones. It is a masterclass in product design. Give the user exactly what they want, high-end features, without giving them the headache of added regulations. This is why the DJI series remains the undisputed king of the portable drone market. As we look deeper into the architecture, the integration of 6K 60 frames per second is going to put massive strain on processing power. The rumor mill suggests that DJI is utilizing a custom-designed silicon chip optimized specifically for high bitrate video encoding. This is significant because it means that even at high frame rates, you won't be dealing with overheating or stuttering footage. The color science is also rumored to be a step forward, potentially supporting a new D-Log M+ profile that provides even more flexibility for color graders in post-production. If you're someone who works in DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere, you know how important those extra bits of color data are when you're trying to match your drone footage with a primary cinema camera. The Mini 6 Pro aims to bridge that gap, making it a viable B-cam on professional sets.